Hey y'all, it's Joanna. This is who I am and this is what I do, plus more. So this is Thrifted Thursday and this is hosted by me and my beautiful, talented, funny friend Sabrina from Sabrina's Craft Nanigans. If y'all don't follow her, you should, because she is a blast. Now, if you are a crafter and you want to join us, message us on Instagram. The guidelines are you must use thrifted items from yard sale, dump, trash, whatever, and make it beautiful. Make as many DIYs as you want. Keep it 30 minutes or less. Mention the hosts and the whole playlist in your description box. Have fun and be creative. This is one of my favorite challenges is thrifting. Making stuff beautiful again. So let's get started. So for the first one, these are going to be short. This is a frame. I get all my stuff usually from the Goodwill. But I fell in love with this frame when I seen it just because of the colors that's in it. And I'm going to make you watch me pick this stupid sticker off for the rest of my life. But anyway, and I'm going to sway back and forth like a crazy person because I got music on. Y'all know me. You know me, you know me. But look at the colors in there. There's pink, there's green, it's just beautiful. And I found a picture that I loved. So I'm going to take this rose gold. It's like rub and buff stuff. I got this at Hobby Lobby. And I put this silicone thing on. Y'all, I could not do it. I could not. If you see my hair, forgive me. I probably look like shambles. I don't know. But anyway, it was going on okay. I can't feel nothing like that. I'm trying to keep my fingers from getting dirty because every time I go to Bible study or prayer meeting, I'm crafting on those days or church, and I'm a door greeter, and my fingers look disgusting from paint, rub and buff, wax, Lord knows what. But yep, ripped it off, and away I go. But all I'm gonna do to this is put this wax on this, and it makes just the details pop, and it's beautiful, I promise. And there is my beautiful picture. I think I got these images from Creative Fabrica or I don't know. I might have got them off of a Facebook group. I don't know. I'm so sorry. Chances you find this frame are probably 0 to none. yeah. So what does it matter where I got the picture? I don't remember, and I am truly sorry. My memory stinks, I'm telling you. But I'm just going to put it on this trimmer, and I'm trimming it up, and y'all, I didn't get it trimmed enough. So I have to trim it until I can fit it down in there because it was a tighter fit than what I thought. But anyway, once I get that done, I'm going to pop it right back down in there. And I did have to scrub this glass and this frame before I even started. So that's all done. But yeah, I'm gonna fidget with this just a minute. And there it is. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm probably going to sell that one on Whatnot. Okay, I got these two frames and they were exactly alike. And I got them at Goodwill too. I did not realize how disgusting these were. I had to take this to my kitchen sink and scrub that with Dawn power wash because it was just disgusting. Right here, I'm just putting that. It's like, that stuff that gets stuck. Goo Gone. Thank you, Jesus. It's like Goo Gone, but it makes it greasy, and I accidentally got it on my cardboard, but it's okay. So I don't want that in there because I'm going to hang this. So I gotta rig it later to make it hang, but I do it. But I'm gonna take this to my sink and I'm gonna scrub this whole thing down. Right, so I took the glass out, that's why I put my hand through it and wiggled my fingers like that. But anyways, I'm gonna put a coat of Mod Podge on here, okay? And that's because it's metal and I didn't have the color spray paint that I wanted. So I am gonna put Mod Podge on this, and that will help my paint stick. But I'm gonna take some of the paint off, which that probably don't even make sense to you, but you'll see when I'm done. But yeah, so I'm just gonna Mod Podge this and then let it dry. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Agave by Waverly. I have got to get some more of this. I love this color, and I didn't realize how much I liked it, but it's almost gone. And I was like, oh, I hope I have enough. So, anyways, I do, but I'm gonna give this a coat of, actually, I'll tell you in a minute. I had to get this brush from Dollar Tree, and it's a stencil brush, and I have got to go around and around and around and around. This is the third coat. That's why I said I'll tell you in a minute, because I knew I was gonna tell you. But anyway, I am scrubbing this around to get it down, because look, and I even go from the back, and it was so hard to get that paint on there. So after I got that and dried it, I'm going to take this. This is white wax, okay? I love using white wax. It's creamy. This is, where'd I get this? Waverly has a white wax. Oh, I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance, actually. So anyway, see where I took some of the paint off? I knew it would do that because of the Mod Podge and all that, and the rag I was using. So that was like a purpose type deal. Trying to just, because I'm going to put Waverly wax on it a little bit later, but I white wax it, and that will help the dark wax not to be so dark wax. I mean, so dark on it. But anyway, I'm going to put this wax on, wax off, and rub it, and then I will do the Waverly wax the same exact way, okay? And I just popped this in to show you that it looks really, really dark, but when you wipe it off, it lightens it all up and just puts the dark wax in the cracks where it needs to be, okay? So now I will take it outside when I get done and spray it with a matte finish, or you can use Rust-Oleum clear coat. And then this is the little picture that I printed, and I don't know where I got this either. I'm thinking, I don't know. I don't know. Creative Fabrica, maybe? I can't remember. I download stuff all the time. I bombard my computer. I had to buy an external hard drive to put all this stuff on. External hard drive to put all this stuff on. This is a copper, it's like antique gold rub and buff, and that's because that sewing machine has some copper or darker tints to it, and I'm trying to match the sewing machine. And I'm telling you, the camera, even in the end, when I showed it, I honestly don't believe that the pictures and the video did this justice, because it matched to a T and is just gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous. I am hanging this in my sewing room because I love it. Now, I'll put the other one on Whatnot in a Whatnot auction possibly soon, but that one right there is going in my sewing room because I just love it. So I'm going to carefully put my glass back in there. I'm trying not to touch it a whole lot and get my fingerprints on it. And then I'm just going to put this and this piece of cardboard. I don't know, did I show me cutting the cardboard? I didn't. I cut a piece of cardboard the same size as that frame back, and then I got to try to figure out something to, you can stand it up, lean it, but I got to figure out something to hang it up. But I am in love with it. I'm just sitting there dancing with it for a hot minute. Now, if you leave the back on, it would stand up, but I don't want that because I want it on the wall. I have nowhere to stand it. So, yeah, I'm going to hang it on the wall. So I used a piece of fishing line, because you can tie a piece of fishing line down there and you can't see it in the front. Look, 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 look. How gorgeous. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Y'all have to tell me which one's your favorite, or if you like any of them, or you don't like any of them. You ain't going to hurt my feelings. You know, everybody's taste ain't the same. If you don't like it, you don't like it. I'm not going to hold it against you. I don't think. I might. No, I won't. I won't. Y'all, make sure you check out everybody in this playlist and Sabrina. And if you're not subscribed to them, please do so. They are so talented. And look, oh my goodness. I am so tickled. They're beautiful. I love, 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 love them. I love them. That one's going in my room. It's so beautiful. She's so pretty, ain't she? Okay, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that you are a blessing. You truly are. You are my blessings. And y'all make sure you check out everybody. And I will catch you next time. Goodbye.